we're going. We just keeping on going.
It's really good, man.
Yeah.
It just feels therapeutic. Like, it's quite sharp and, yeah, intense the whole way through, but I can feel that there's a relation to like, I've had some shoulder stuff and, like, pec tightness.
G'day guys, Ninja here, and Das.
G'day, guys.
Another episode of Ninja's Bloody Obscure Anatomy.
Another one.
There
couldn't be any more left.
Oh, there's heaps of them, mate.
There's heaps?
There's heaps, I reckon.
Oh, brilliant.
Heaps of it.
What do we got?
Subclavius. Come up here. So what it is, you can see this thin muscle here. It's got a number 1 on it. Subclavius muscle. So you can see it attaches right into the sternum here, and it goes across underneath your clavicle, your collarbone, under here, up and towards the start of your bicep in there. So it's a little muscle that me and Das know quite well because we've both broken our collarbones before. And yeah, I suppose as an attempt to stabilize the collarbone, the clavicle, this muscle here is switched on and spasmed up. And yeah, it's kind of
Caused a lot of pain, I guess.
causing pain, yeah, because it's just sort of trying to protect us. So, and you can just feel in here like we're both, and it's sort of where your sternocleidomastoid comes down, that kind of region as well. So all that kind of region, we want to kind of clear in there. So we've got to get right in close to that. Well,
That's all good.
Your breastbone, what's that? Your sternum. So your sternum in there. So we want to get right into that. So you can just do it with one finger like that, but you've got to really connect in with it. So it doesn't look like we're doing much, but we're actually doing plenty. So getting into that where it starts, and then we want to shift it out. So I might change it now. So get a thumb in there, like that. Hello, Patreonos!
Check out our latest Patreon releases.
He's there. Come on, show your legs. Fight.
He's my turn.
Patrono pole dancing for you. Oh, yeah, I'm going. All right, grab him.
To join, click the link in the description.
It's already coming out here.
Yeah, so we want to get in there and then shift it out and along. So what I can do is I can trace the underside of the clavicle there, collarbone, and clear all that scarring and gunk that builds up. So I can just feel a little muscle there on your Das.
Yeah, man.
So I'm just gonna pin it, hold it for you. Squeaky.
Squeaky tweaky. Oh,
Squeaky light over there.
it's good, man. Haven't had this treated in quite some time. It's quite obscure.
Is it obscure? You reckon obscure enough?
Yeah, definitely.
We've got even more obscure coming up, haven't we, too?
Yeah.
We've just got to do a little bit more research
More
on
research.
it. Yeah.
I never even knew that muscle existed, man.
Never heard of it before.
No.
And it's in a region where we treat all the time as
Yeah.
well, isn't it? So,
Almost every day.
yeah. So, yeah. Can we give it away?
Nah, it's up to you, man.
They've got to wait. They've been
Let 'em wait.
eagerly anticipating every video in this series, I'm sure. They go, what's the next one going to be? Getting all excited about it.
There's probably a few people that haven't slept since the last one, just
I
waiting up.
reckon. They're probably putting on bets with their mates at home.
It's like kids waiting up for Santa Claus to come.
Yeah, I reckon it's more anticipated. It's bigger. It's getting bigger by the minute, isn't it?
This is brilliant. Oh, it's pretty flicky and nasty in there.
Yeah. Well, what's our big one? Was it pectineus or
Pectineus.
pectineus was big?
Yeah.
Jace's pectineus.
Jace had a big pectineus.
He's got a. Everyone wants to see Jace's pectineus
Yeah.
get worked.
Yep.
So yeah,
If you haven't seen it, go and check it out.
yeah,
Good video.
yeah.
Oh,
So where are we going? We just keeping on
it's
going.
really good, man.
Yeah.
Oh, it just feels therapeutic. Like, it's quite sharp and, yeah, intense the whole way through, but I can feel that there's a relation to like, I've had some shoulder stuff and, like, pec tightness that it's just working that out, clearing the gunk,
Yeah.
the blockages.
I can just sort of feel as I'm going along too where it's pushing back. So I've got to try and get get my angles right so I'm pushing right into where it's solid, where it's stuck.
Yep.
So yeah, breathing mechanics is really important, to be able to get a good breath of air in.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need all these muscles around our ribs to be able to stretch.
Yep.
So you can allow that air in. And then when you're breathing out, they kind of contract and push that air out, or it sort of like gets sucked out because of the vacuums, isn't it?
Yeah.
So yeah, really interesting. You create the space and the air can kind of rush in, and then you push it out by contracting your muscles. So getting across into where it's joining in there. So we're going to do a good thorough workout on this subclavius. So I can feel in there, man. You've got some shit that's built up. So just pin that for you. And that's the thing with all these, our treatment method is it starts intense and then it backs off, just melts away. So that sensation, the intensity just really drops like that. So I might just finish with a bit of a, can I change that?
That's all right.
Your mic, Whitney.
Drop the mic.
Drop the mic. So I'm going to go into there like that.
Oh, yeah.
So I can kind of pin right on that. Make sure we kind of hit it well.
Oh, yeah. Even getting some referral into the bicep and just feels really relevant. Oh, it's good.
Yeah. So you see how we just really took our time. It's one little muscle with a long tendon on it through here, but then we can really work it here where it's attaching on in there, and just get all the gunk out of it. Let it be healthy again. Let it kind of get the flow into it so it can heal itself and can function better. So we can actually activate it, get the nerves to activate that muscle for us, and then she heals up. It's happy again. Happy days.
Yeah. Probably a lot of people have had lots of impact injuries, or those that have played sport, basketball or footy or rugby, that hip and shoulder impact is going to shorten that clavicle there as well. So that subclavius is going to have some irritation in it. So I guess just elongating it, getting the nourishment that it needs with the cells and the blood. Yeah. Well, it was like the shoulder actually functions better for it. So yeah, without even knowing that was what the target was to do or the goal, it just feels good through there to move that shoulder now. So obscure anatomy, mate.
Obscure.
What's next?
What's next? Omni something. That's the only clue you're getting. Omni.
Tell us in the comments if you think you know.
Yeah. All right. Thanks. Done.